Hello and welcome to my channel today, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're playing Crazy Rogue Bird, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. For more videos like this, watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff. My channel, which is A&A Snakes and More on YouTube, or Boo's Exotics on TikTok and Facebook.
You can certainly try to get it. You can look up. Bring it Omega. You think I'm going? You think I'm going near him? I'm eating. Jesus. That's too darn hot. But now the only reason why I picked that idiot is because he is me. That's not it. Hey! He's now open. Huh. Yeah, good luck with that. Watch out. Okay. Not for long. Take this. Stop doing red shells at me now. I'll be right. Infinite red shells in a car. Is that a monster truck of yours? Yes. Yes. Yes, I do. Why is that? Get me the damn Muso. Right now. Giant Muso coming your way. How am I meant to dodge that? Stop trying Muso. No. Take this. Ha 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 ha. I'm not coming down. No, I refuse to come down. I like stick drift. Oh, are you kidding me? I know the brakes of it is not going into the broke. It's actually going. I'm going to put something and never pay it. Just tell you are. No, I'm not. No. Okay, bro. I was on that so even floating in midair. Oh, shit. Yes, I agree. This time, sort of. Bowser, just asshole. Of course you choose the most difficult one. Well, that's too darn bad. No, the only reason why I picked him is because he's smaller than children and Mrs. Ugly at the end. I am made out of metal. What's up? You need going to do to me? Why not on me? Nice try. Is that a damn rocket launcher? Yes. I'm still going to use one. No, you get out of us! Stop drawing infinite damn red shells, George, you want me to throw up over them like you? Anything else look out? Even though it's not in. How the hell is how the think this not even possible? My robots are obviously them. Oh ho 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 ho. Bro, I have fingers. Stop pulling them. Bro, how was I meant to be pain? Well, the doors are broken because of stupid Omega viruses.